The Windfinder widget is a small application that lets you see live wind data, current conditions, and wind forecasts right on your home screen. The widget comes in 3 different sizes. To set up a widget on iOS, make a long press on your home screen. You are now in edit mode. Tap Edit in the upper left corner of your screen. Now choose Add Widget. Search for the Windfinder widget and tap the Windfinder app icon. These are the 3 different widget sizes. The Small Current Conditions widget is free for all users of the Windfinder app. To set up the Wind Preview and Large Wind Preview widgets, a Windfinder Plus subscription is needed. Now select the widget size you want to set up and tap Add Widget. Tap the widget to edit. Select the location from your favorite spots. If you select a weather station, the measured data will be displayed as current conditions. Now select the forecast for a 7-day wind preview in 3-hour increments, or, if available, the super forecast for a 3-day wind preview in 1-hour increments. Finally, select whether you want your wind alerts to be displayed as red dots in the widget. Now, tap on Done in the upper right corner to finish your setup. Et voila, your widget is ready to give you a proper forecast for the next days right on your home screen. It shows the current wind direction, wind speed, and temperature. Please note, if your phone is in dark mode, your widget will also be. By the way, to set up a widget on Android, follow the steps by tapping your home screen and selecting Widgets. Another tip, tap the day you want to see to go directly to that forecast in the app. For more shortcuts, select the Large Wind Preview widget. This widget gives you direct access to the spot forecast, the report, and the map view for this location. Done. Now it is up to you. Check out the different widget sizes and see which one works best for you. Create widgets for your favorite places and dashboards for your holiday destinations. If you have any feedback or feature requests, please email us at support@windfinder.com or use the feedback button in your app. And, of course, if you are happy with our service, we always appreciate good reviews on the App Store and Play Store.